next example is we have these finite automata and we have to convert these finite automata into regular expression. So here we have three states A, B and R. Okay, so first we will observe whether the given finite automata contain any reject state, okay, or useless state. Okay, so A is final state as well as initial state. It is not any reject state or useless state. B is also useful state. But here we can see that R, this is a reject state, means if we move from B to R, then there is no transition that is going to final state, so that we can have any acceptance through state R. Okay, so means what, there is no any use of this state R, so we can call it as reject state and we should remove them. Okay, so after removal of this reject state, we can have the finite automata like okay. So this is our final finite automata. Now we should write the expression for each and every state. For state A, we can consider only incoming transitions. So here we have two incoming transitions. One is from B and other is from 0. Okay, and A is initial as well as final state. Okay, so first we will write A 0 and B 1, and we should add empty because A is initial state, and in case of initial state we should add empty. Okay, so now next we'll write the expression for B. Okay, so the expression for B is we have only one incoming edge from state A to B, so the expression for B is A1. Okay, now I put the value of B in this expression. Okay, so I'll number it. Okay, so I'll put 2 in 1. Okay, therefore A is equal to A 0 plus, instead of B I can write here is B, so instead of B I'll put the value of B as A1 dot 1. Okay, so this one will remain as it is and the value of B is A1. Okay, now plus empty. Okay, now A is equal to, I can take common from these two, that is okay. Now this I can compare this with Arden's theorem, that is R is equal to Q plus RP, then R is equal to QP star. Okay, so that is nothing but Arden's theorem. Okay, so I'll compare this expression with this expression. So this will be R. Okay, and this is nothing but P and this is nothing but Q. Okay, so I can write A is equal to QP star. So Q is nothing but empty and P star, that is nothing but 0 plus 1 1 bracket star. Okay, that is nothing but A is equal to 0 plus 1 1 bracket star. Okay, so here I have got the value of A as 0 plus 1 1 bracket star. Now I can put the value of A in the expression of B. Okay, so that I can get the value of B as well. Okay, so value of A is 0 plus 1 1, so B is equal to A1. B is equal to A1, therefore B is equal to 0 plus 1 1 star, since this is equation number 3. Okay, and this is value of A and dot 1 from expression number 3. Okay, so here I have got the values of B as well as A. Okay, now we know that the expression of final state, that is considered as a final expression. Here A is final state, that's why the expression of state A is considered as final expression of the finite automata. Okay, so A is equal to 0 plus 1 1 bracket star is nothing but the expression for this finite automata. So after the conversion of this FA, we have got A is equal to 0 plus 1 1 bracket star is the final regular expression. Okay, hope so you have understood what is meant by Arden's theorem and where we can apply it. If you have any queries, then please do comment and never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.